In front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down to access Security and Biometrics. Then click on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. After selecting the best one, click on it and create it. Then hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Lastly, select Confirm. Over here, you need to answer this question by tapping on the best option for you. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? Show all notification content, high sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. Wherever you decided to save your choice, hit Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!